Racing just is started. We have Thunder Ribbon. Break quickly at a start. Perfection in second. Don Martino. Zol Invictus comes next. The Real Thing. While in the nick of time is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Thunder Ribbon by about length. Moving up now the outside is Perfection. Don Martino comes next. Zol Invictus. The Real Thing is down on the inside fifth, while in the nick of time is still running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, we have Thunder Ribbon by our length and a half, and in second is Perfection. Don Martino, The Real Thing, moving up down on the inside as All Invictus comes next, while in the nick of time is still running at the tail of the field. And on the far turn, we have Thunder Ribbon, this time by about 3 lengths. Perfection in second, Don Martino. Down on the inside is The Real Thing, Soul Invictus. And in the nick of time as they swing for home, we have Thunder Ribbon. This time by about 6 lengths. Perfection in second. Down on the inside is The Real Thing. Last 75 meters from gate to wire, it's Thunder Ribbon. And finally, Thunder Ribbon. Perfection. Then comes The Real Thing and Don Martino.
3614. So it was Thunder Ribbon, ang ating unofficial winner